What's up, guys? It's Wade here yet again from MayerFX. Like always, as you guys know, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown on US30 GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and EURUSD. All right, guys, I just want to ask you guys as well to please like and subscribe to my YouTube videos. And yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing week last week, and I hope this week is just as good as well. If not, it's a new week. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys. As you guys can see on Euro USD on EU on the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we've been hitting higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. As we're hitting this bullish trend, or bearish trend that it is currently in. So as things are moving bearish, let's keep it that way. Remember, the trend is your friend, as you guys know. So let's keep things simple, like always, and do not complicate things. So as you guys can see, there is a possibility it might break this level of support, but it is retesting at this level of support. So hopefully it will reject at level of resistance, which is around 1.09123. So I found, okay. All right. So yeah, so hopefully this level right here, it will reject, and with that level to reject, hopefully we'll see a break of this level of support, and then hopefully it will continue bearish from here on out. So I'll be looking for something more or less like this for this coming week on Euro USD. Hopefully this momentum will continue as bearish. So there's more or less something like this that I'll see on Euro USD on EU. So this is something I'm looking for. If not, and it decides to reverse and then obviously go to this and hit bullish and it breaks levels of resistance, then more or less I will be waiting to see a retest at new levels of support, and then with rejection, hopefully I'll see the market continue bullish. So this is more or less what I'll be looking for in the market this coming week, if the market has to reverse and obviously go bullish. If not, and it stays bearish, then obviously we'll see a continuation, and then hopefully we'll see a rejection at this level of resistance, and then obviously continue bearish as it has been last week as well. So this is more or less what I'll be looking for. Any bearish momentum trades, if it has to go. If not, like I explained to you guys, then this is what I'll be looking for, as if it does break levels of resistance and hopefully retest at new levels of support. So this is what I'll be looking for if I have to take any buy trades on Euro USD or on EU. And as well, I showed you guys just now the trades that I'll be taking if it has to continue bearish. All right, guys, let's go to US30 on the 4-hourly time frame. All right, guys, as you guys can see on US30, it has been bearish as it has broken this level of support, which was 35092.46. So hopefully, all we're going to see it continue. Hopefully, there might be a possibility that it might retest at this zone or this level right here, and then obviously retest and then continue bearish. If not, right, guys, I don't think there's any buy trades going to be. Obviously, if you take this buy trade here, but then you'll be moving against the trend. So there is a possibility, if you look especially at the daily time frame, that there is a possibility of a retest at that zone yet again. And then hopefully it will continue bearish. If not, there is a possibility that it might just continue breaking down and continue bearish from here on out, and then most likely see something like this, right? So a person can see and take it from there and see how the market might move this coming week. But definitely I'll be seeing sell trades as well, depending how far it might retrace to the level that it might reject and then continue bearish. As well, on a daily, it looks different, where you guys know that there's a possibility it might retest again at 35092.46. If that does not happen, it will just continue pushing down and keep on breaking levels of support. So it might retest at this level right here. Let me just mark it out. It might retest here on a level on a 4-hourly time frame. It might retest there, reject that zone, and then continue bearish. If not, it might just drop further down from here, retest there, and just break through yet again. So there's a lot of ways to look at the specific trade from here on out this coming week. So there's a lot of things to look at. Obviously, everyone follows their own plan and their own trading guidelines, which they follow, which I do as well. Any of these trades or any of these things that I'm showing you guys do not need to follow it. This is more or less this what I'll be looking for this coming week in the market. More or less the trades that I might and might not take. All right, guys. Yeah, let's go to GBPJPY or GJ. Guys, on GJ, I've been seeing this bullish momentum right here, as I thought it might break this specific level of support right here, but it's only breaking levels of resistance. So for this coming week, I'm going to look at a few things as well. Just right here on a 4-hourly time frame. So guys, there is a possibility that the market might come further down until the specific level right here, which is 184032, and then obviously retest and reject the zone, and then obviously continue bullish from here on out, as I feel there will only be specific buy trades on GBPJPY or GJ this coming week. There is a possibility that it might just reject the zone here or retest at the zone here and then continue bullish as well. But I do not see any sell trades in GJ for this coming week. I might be wrong, but if I am wrong, then I'll wait for this level right here to break this level of support, which is 184032, and then obviously retest at new levels of resistance and then continue bearish. But for now, I do not see any sell trades coming through on GJ for this coming week. Like I said, I can be wrong. It all depends how the market might move for this coming week. And then I will adapt as traders. We all need to adapt to the market and then as well take trades from there. As there is not just specific, or there is a specific way. You do not just obviously put in a sell or buy trade just because you feel like it. There's certain rules that you need to follow yourself as a trader as well, just like I do. As you guys know, there's times that you are wrong, and that's why risk management is very important. And that's why I always tell people, do not risk the amount in the market that you cannot afford to lose as a trader. As well, do not chase the market. And guys, if you guys put a set mark out that you guys only take 1 to 2 or 3 trades a day, or 1 or 2, 3 trades a week, stick to that plan. Remember, next week is another week, and just continue building your account slowly but surely. As well, if you are aggressive trader and it works for you, by all means, go with it. But just follow your trading strategy and your trading plan the way you follow or have been following it this whole time. It has been working for you. Stick to it. Do not change anything unless you need to adapt to the market and you feel it will only help you in the future. I hope that made sense. Sorry, guys. I think I got flu. I don't know if it's flu, but I just got this cough this coming week. I'm going to see something. Alrighty. All right, we're still in the specific zone, as I said last week. It's consolidating in the specific zone between 1.27810 and 1.26956. I think that right? So yeah, guys, there's only 2 ways this can go, and this is, or it's gonna break levels of resistance, which is that's gonna happen, or just gonna break level of support. So for now, I'll have to see this coming week more or less how the market opens and where it would like to go. So this is more or less something that I'll be looking for if I could be taking buy trades on GBPUSD or on GU. If not, and it does break levels of support, I'll wait for the specific level right here, or zone or level, which is 1.26476. I'll wait for that to break. Then I'll be comfortable with taking sell trades on GU. For now, it is consolidating in that specific zone or in that specific area. So I have to look at sell trades. This is more or less what I'll be looking for on GU or GBPUSD. So yeah, that's more or less what I'll be looking for if I have to take any sell trades. But for now, it's quite difficult. not difficult, but the specific things I still need to look for, as I do not show every specific thing the way how I trade every week. So I just more or less show you guys what possibilities there are in the market and where it might go to. So this is more or less buy trades that I'll be looking for, as if it has to break the specific zones. So yeah, guys, that's what I'll be looking for this coming week on Euro USD. This is as well if I have to look for any buy trades, but as I told you guys, I think more or less, or the way that I look at things, it's going to continue bearish and obviously most likely break this level of support and then continue bearish from here on out. And yeah, this is more or less what I'll be looking for sell trades, but I feel it might, there's a more strong possibility that it might continue with this bearish momentum, which it is currently in. And if I have to look for buy trades, yet again, this is what I'll be looking for. So, all right, guys, that is me for this week, for my weekly breakdown. Guys, thank you for listening to me. I hope you guys have an amazing week. And as like I said just a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago, please do not overtrade, do not chase the market, and as well, do not risk the amount of money in the market that you cannot afford to lose. Guys, thank you for listening to me. I hope you guys have an amazing. Thanks, guys. I'm out.